In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages and clear conversation history in Slack. First, a quick reality check so you know exactly what's possible. Slack doesn't let you permanently delete an entire conversation thread in one go. However, you can remove individual messages, and in many workspaces, you can clear the history of a channel or a direct message. That gives you control over what sticks around without wiping the whole space. Let's start with deleting a single message. Open the channel or direct message where the message lives. Move your mouse over the specific message you want to remove. You'll see a small toolbar appear on the right. Click the three dots icon, often labeled More Actions. From the menu that opens, select Delete Message. Slack will typically ask you to confirm, so go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you do, that message is removed from the conversation for everyone who had access to it. Keep in mind, workspaces can limit who is allowed to delete messages, so if you don't see the delete option, it may be restricted by your admin or your plan. Also, you can usually delete messages you sent, but deleting someone else's message may require special permissions. Now, if you need a broader cleanup, you can clear the history of a channel or a direct message. Open the channel or DM and go to its settings. On desktop, that's generally found by clicking the channel or conversation name at the top to open details and settings. Look for an option labeled Clear Conversations. When you select it, Slack will show a warning that explains what clearing does. Review that carefully, then confirm to proceed. This action removes the visible message history from that channel or DM, giving you a clean slate moving forward. The channel or DM itself remains, and people can continue chatting there afterward. Note that this option may not appear in every workspace, because admins can control retention settings and what tools are available. A couple of tips to help you avoid surprises. Deletions and clears are typically irreversible, so double check before you confirm. If you need to keep an important note, copy it somewhere safe prior to removing it. If the options you're looking for aren't visible, it's usually due to workspace policies, your roles, or the plan level. In that case, check with your admin or try using the desktop app if you're on mobile. That's it. You now know how to delete individual messages and clear conversation history in Slack so you can keep your workspace tidy and focused.